To remove the hot swap hard disk drive, rotate the release latch to unlock the drive handle. Grasp the handle and slide the drive out of the drive bay. Reinstall the drive bay filler panel.